Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to mute the microphone on GIGABYTE G7. So you can do it in two different methods, and I think that they don't work interchangeably. So if you disable it through the first method, the second method won't enable it. So the first one is clicking on the keyboard on the special key, which typically is on the number 4. You can see here, this is the microphone that's crossed, and in order to actually mute the microphone, you should click on FN key combined with the 4 key, and that'll mute the microphone or unmute it. But it doesn't work across the whole system. It only works if you're within an app that supports the microphone. So it just temporarily locks it within that app. And now let's go to the second method, which locks your microphone across the whole system, which is in settings, then Bluetooth and devices, sound, and you'll find microphone. If you have like several microphones plugged in, you'll have a list of them here, but I have only the built-in microphone right now, so I can click on it, then click on Don't Allow. Now that microphone is disabled, I can enable it back again, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.